Hello guys, my name is Nambi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome on board and let's get creative together. Also, if you haven't subscribed, kindly remember to subscribe. So I haven't been able to post something for the last couple of days and I'm going to make up for that. And also there's something else that I wanted to say. There are videos that I'm going to be posting that I'm not going to be talking in them. Like I'm just going to be posting the tutorial without me talking too much or without me talking at all, because I've realized that I keep the videos with me waiting for the time that I'll be in a position to record the intros and the videos are ready, and what is important is what you're going to learn from the videos, not what I'm talking or what I'm saying. So some videos are just straightforward, self-explanatory, and the tools that we are using are just the normal tools that we've been using. So I don't see the need of me talking too much, explaining a lot of things that are just self-explanatory. So I'm just going to be posting the tutorials, but I'm still there. So in case any of you has a question, you can ask in the comment section, or you can talk to me in the social media pages on Instagram, Facebook, and also you can even email me. Go straight to what brought us here today. So we're going to learn how to make names using wire, how you can write maybe your name or words using wire. So if you're interested, stick around. So let's meet next time, and kindly remember to subscribe. Bye.